Hey guys, it's me, Jason Hauser. Today's date is Friday, February 13th, 2015, man. Well, this is not my room. This is Nebraska. And I'm pretty much in Nebraska right now, visiting a family. Anyways, the reason why I am filming this right now, it's because, well, I just bought Psycho. Because I've never seen Psycho. Never. I haven't seen the movie. The mother of all slasher movies. Yeah, I'm obsessed with slasher movies, but I've never seen every single slasher movie. Not even the mother of all slasher movies. Well, it's not really a slasher movie. It's a psychological thriller with horror. Yeah, there it is. Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho, based on a Robert Bloch novel from 1959. This movie's from 1960. There's the legendary Norman Bates, if you can see it. Can you see it? How am I supposed to get your answer anyways? And there's... Who the hell is this? Is this Janet Leigh? The mother of Jamie Lee Curtis from Halloween. I'm excited to watch this for the first time. It has all these, and I'm excited to watch those as well. This actually was the first movie ever, first American movie to show a flushing toilet on screen. I never knew that until, I'm just shocked that this is the first American movie to show a flushing toilet on screen. Anyways, can't wait to watch it. Look at my shadow. Seriously, looks like it's from a movie that's based on Psycho, like Homicidal or Straight Jacket. I know I'm crazy, but I've never seen Psycho. And yeah, I'm aware of the sequels. The sequels to Psycho were terrible. I think they did if I'm right, correct me if I'm wrong here, but did they do a TV movie called Bates Motel? And did they do a TV series with the same name? I know that. They did a Vince Vaughn remake to this movie. It was horrible. And I guess the sequels from the 80s or 90s or whatever are horrible too, but they might be worse. I don't know. Anyways, I'm excited to watch this movie. I'm gonna leave right now. I feel like I'm in the movie Evil Dead. I'm Jason Hauser, and you were just watching the Jason channel.